Hi, this is Manjunath, and in this quick demo I'll show you how my files listing tool works. This tool helps in auditing folders, cleaning unwanted files, creating documentation, quick navigating large directories, backup verification, and so on. This tool allows you to select any folder, automatically list all the files inside it, optionally include subfolders, apply file type filters, and even generate clickable hyperlinks so you can open file instantly. This is the On click of this button, you can select the folder where you wanted to list the files. Maybe I'll take something like this. This is a folder I choose, and you have the option to include subfolders, search within in the subfolder and so on, looping within the subfolders. I have chosen it include subfolders and list all file types. If you wanted to restrict the listing to any of the specific one, you can uncheck it. Otherwise you can check it. If you check it, it will list all files. Otherwise only the specific files. So that's it, and you can click on create list. It's creating the list. If there are huge files, then you can see that it's only the doc files has been filtered because I have not chosen the list all file types. Now if you wanted to open it directly, it's a simple formula. You can use hyperlink formula and then select this file, close the brackets, copy it, paste it. Now it is very handy. You can, if you wanted to see the file, you can just click on this file. It will open the file directly. As I clicked on this link, it has opened me this file. It's very handy if you wanted to verify the files. That's all for this demo. Thank you very much for watching.